Hiboy Max Electric Scooter 350W Motor 8.5. Version of 8.5 solid tires, reinforced frame, new app, and enjoy high speed. Superior performance, the electric scooter features an upgraded 350-watt motor, boasting an 18.6 mph max speed and a range of 17 miles, tackle steep 15% hills with ease. One-step fold design, with 1-second foot-actuated folding, the electric scooter can be quickly collapsed. After folding, the Max scooter can be carried one-handedly, making it a perfect commute companion. Safety and comfort, braking is smooth and secure. The excellent braking system makes the brake respond more quickly and improves the safety when in use. The front shock absorber provides maximum rider comfort. Riding handily, simply connect Max electric scooter via Bluetooth and use the app to check the scooter before every use, active cruise control and view other riding statistics, available on iOS and Android. Unique and humanized, the adult electric scooter is equipped with wider foot anti-slip pedal for larger feet support, dual headlights for safe night riding, and clear LED display for relieved riding. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.